So we have to find the equation of tangent to the curve. So we simply know that if we will do dy by dx, which is 6x plus 4. So dy by dx at point 0.05 is 4. So the equation of tangent is y minus 5 x minus 0 equals to 4. This is y equals to 4x plus 5. Question 2. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve. The same way dy by dx is slope of tangent, which is we have to find it. So when we differentiate the curve, it will come out to be 2x plus 3y plus 3x y dash plus 2y y dash equals to 0. Put the value of 1 comma 1. We will have 2 plus 3 5. 2 plus 3 plus 3y dash plus 2y dash equals to 0. Y dash will come out to be minus 1. So equation of the slope of tangent is minus 1. The slope of normal is plus 1. So the equation of tangent is y minus 1 x minus 1 equals to minus 1, which is y minus 1 minus x plus 1, which is y plus x equals to 2. Equation of normal is y minus 1 upon x minus 1 equals to 1. So this is y equals to x. Question 3 we'll do in next video.